These delicious, wholesome, vegan sausages are the perfect addition to a midweek meal, barbecue, or potluck. With a soft and flavorful interior and slightly crisp exterior, this vegan Italian sausage is sure to leave an impression. Plus, this recipe is meat-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, low-fat, plant-based, and can be made nut-free, too, if preferred. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. Gluten-free vegan sausage. When it comes to meat alternatives, I err on the side of it doesn't have to taste exactly the same to be delicious. This vegan sausage recipe combines beans, nuts, oats, and several seasonings to create a delicious vegetarian sausage that definitely isn't trying to emulate meat, but doesn't need to when it tastes this good. This recipe is everything that a veggie sausage needs to be in my eyes: hearty, healthy, and packed with flavor. It's amazing what white beans, walnuts, oats, and seasonings can do for creating a meatless sausage. Plus, this recipe doesn't contain wheat gluten like most other vegan recipes. This makes it perfectly safe for people who have a gluten allergy. This vegetarian sausage recipe is also incredibly versatile, allowing you to adjust the seasonings to your own tastes too, and even swap out ingredients for your dietary needs, such as swapping the nuts for seeds. Want sausages that are spicier or smokier? No problem. And, of course, they taste delicious anywhere that you would use any other sausage. Serve as a vegan hot dog, at a barbecue, in wraps, with mash, etc. In fact, there are so many options that we've included a list of potential serving ideas in this video if you want some ideas. This recipe is meat-free, dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free, can be made soy-free, low-fat, can be also made nut-free, packed with fiber, protein, and several vitamins and minerals, healthy, hearty and satisfying, versatile. How to make the best vegan sausage. The recipe simply relies on some blending, forming, steaming, and frying. There are even different ways of cooking these veggie sausages, depending on how you prefer them. Step 1. Mix the ground chia seeds and a 1/4 cup water in a small bowl and allow to thicken for 5 minutes. If you don't have ground chia seeds, then you can grind them yourself with an electric spice/coffee grinder or blender for a few seconds. Step 2. Meanwhile, rinse the canned white beans thoroughly in a sieve, then drain and pat dry with a paper towel. Step 3. Pulse the oats and walnuts in a food processor or blender. Only pulse, rather than run the machine continuously, as you want the ingredients to retain texture rather than turning into a flour. Step 4. Add all the remaining ingredients to the food processor/blender and pulse again to combine. Step 5. Form 6 to 7 sausages with your hands. The mixture shouldn't be too sticky, but if it is, then a sprinkling of oat flour should help. Once formed, place the vegan brats on a dish lined with parchment paper and leave to chill in the fridge for 20 minutes. Step 6. Wrap each sausage in some parchment paper and tin foil and twist the ends, like a candy wrapper. Then, place in a steamer basket/pan and steam for around 35 minutes. Once cooked, you can serve immediately, pan fry, or even grill for a crispy result. You could also add a vegan sausage casing. Pan fry method. Brush the sausages with a little oil on each side and then add to your preheated skillet. Lightly fry for around 7 to 10 minutes, turning a few times until lightly browned, and enjoy. For sausages that really hold up to barbecue grilling. After steaming the sausages, allow to cool to room temperature. Chill in the fridge for a bit until they firm up, and then grill. This method really helps them to maintain a firm texture and not fall apart on the grill. Vegan sausage casing. This step is totally optional, however, you can easily make a sausage casing with rice paper sheets. Yes, the same ingredient used to make delicious summer rolls/spring rolls can also be used as a fantastic vegan sausage casing. Rice paper sheets completely transform in texture when fried and add that delicious light crisp. Plus, rice paper wrappers are gluten-free, meaning this will still remain a gluten-free vegan sausage to fit multiple dietary needs. You have the choice of using the classic white rice paper or brown rice paper wrappers that will affect the look and, subtly, the taste of the sausages. How to make the casing. Follow steps 1 to 6 as stated earlier. To make the casing, add lukewarm water to a large bowl. Dip a rice paper sheet into the water, one at a time, for 5 seconds, and allow the excess water to drip off. Then place the sheet on a cutting board lined with oiled parchment paper. Place a steamed sausage onto the damp rice paper sheet and fold it over the sausage once, then fold the sides in and continue to roll it, like a cigar. Repeat this step with the remaining sausages. Preheat a large skillet over medium heat. Brush the sausages with a little oil on each side and then add to the pan. Lightly fry for around 7 to 10 minutes, turning every minute or so, until heated through. How to serve. If you want to serve these vegetarian bratwurst style, then you can serve as a sandwich or vegan hot dog in a bun. Add mustard, onions, and several other options of toppings and sides. Some of my favorites for serving alongside vegetarian brats include German sauerkraut, potato salad, and this keto coleslaw. You can also serve these veggie sausages for breakfast and brunch dishes, such as alongside vegan scrambled eggs and with other breakfast favorites. You could also slice and serve with salads and pasta dishes, on top of pizza, or prepare a vegan casserole dish, along with tons of other options. How to store. Store any leftover vegan sausages in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 6 days. Recipe notes and variations. You can use canned beans or soak and cook dry beans. You could also experiment with the type of bean you use. Replace the walnuts with another nut or seed of your choice, i.e., sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. You could also use breadcrumbs in place of the oats. Buckwheat groats should be fine too. Feel free to adjust the seasonings to your taste. For more spice, add some crushed chili or more cayenne pepper. More smokiness, add a few drops of liquid smoke. For even more of a vegan Italian sausage flavor, then you could add some sun-dried tomatoes alongside the tomato puree. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.